Hey guys, Uncle Mike here, coming to you from the training room right here in Manasquan, New Jersey. I'm going to tell you about a little challenge I just did. I wanted a little finisher, get my heart rate up, work my whole body. My two favorite things, power wheel, jump rope. Weighted jump rope and power wheel, both by Lifeline USA. So the object is to get this done under 10 minutes. So what I did was, I did a power wheel walk forward, 10 yards, backward 10 yards. Followed up by, actually I started with the jump rope. I did 100 rope skips, and then I did my power wheel walk forward and backward. Each time I did the jump rope, I reversed. I alternated forward and backward jump rope. So total of 500 revolutions on the weighted rope, a total of 100 yards on the power wheel. So we'll call this the training room 600, if my math is correct. 500 on the rope, 100 meters, yards, 100 yards on the power wheel. So we'll call it the training room 600. Try to get it under 10 minutes. I did it in 8:59. Wouldn't want to bore you with the entire challenge. I'll just show you a couple rounds following me talking.